At the end of the day, we're looking at, is it going to save money? Is it going to make money? Or is it going to make the people more productive?
Next 10 minutes and talk about AI, but from an outcome perspective, because there's a lot of discussion that's happening. Goldman Sachs published a report, I think about 3 weeks ago, saying that enterprise, are not still seeing, at least not being able to connect the dot. Token consumption has gone up, substantially. Cost has gone up, but they're trying to connect the dot to outcome. So if you take one or more of these swim lanes that you discussed, what are the measure of outcome? Like, what is the conversation tied to the use case that you're talking about that you're seeing are real?
Yeah. It's funny you should say that. I was just reading about actually Microsoft internally had been using Claude. I think it was Claude Cowork, and they're like, everybody is moving over to Copilot. We can manage those costs because the costs were just insurmountable. They were way higher bill than what they were expecting to pay. And so, yeah, I mean, those are the things that we're looking at. We're looking at token costs or time to first token. It depends on, those are kind of the standard metrics that we'll look, across the different use cases. At the end of the day, we're looking at, is it going to save money? Is it going to make money? Or is it going to make the people more productive? And you can apply that across the different industries and verticals that we work with. And so we make that as part of that engineering and software optimization work. We do a full technical statement of work with an ISV to confirm that it's going to meet the criteria that we've said that it's going to meet. And that's available for our partners and customers to see so that when they apply it into their own scenario, that it meets those